Here's a neat thing that went on at our house the other day. Farmers now are using agricultural drones to apply herbicides and insecticides to their field. And it's really a neat thing. Uh, in years past, uh, this field has been sprayed by turboprop airplanes repeatedly. And one of the disadvantages to that is you get a lot of spray drift to the neighboring homes. We'd get it at our house and on our garden. We'd see damage to our garden with it, and plus get insecticide on you don't want. These agricultural drones apply it with a lot more precision than an airplane can. And of course, they're not cheap, but the University of Missouri did a study on these. And if a farmer has 1,000 acres he's having to work with, it makes sense for him to get one of these where he can apply the chemicals to his fields, when he wants, under the condition he wants, and more exactly than he can with an airplane. And these guys, the day they were out here doing this, they were doing small fields that were next to homes. And they were able to apply this and not get any on the neighbors. Really a neat deal. We really appreciate the effort they put into this. These machines are fascinating to watch. Uh, they come back and land automatically on the trailer. One strap tie down. They've got to have a chemical tank and a pump to transfer. They've got to have a generator for recharging batteries. But it just went really slick. Really appreciate the farmers buying these things to make their operation better and safer for all the neighbors. It's really a great deal. Really appreciate what they're doing.